In this video, we're going to go over how to rank your videos and sites safely in 2019 using a state-of-the-art brand new cloud-based tool called RankReel. RankReel helps you rank videos for yourself or clients, specifically local videos, using modern features for today's SEO in a 5-in-1 system. This includes the ability to find hot categories and keywords, do detailed YouTube and Google competition research, fully optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for local videos in one click, do authoritative white hat backlinking, and includes a special local influencer outreach module that helps get natural social signals and views. So to get started, let's click on the keyword optimization module of RankReel. First, you'll see something called Category Finder that's a little bit different than all the other keyword tools you'll see. This lets you enter any keyword or niche that you're trying to rank a video in and find categories, synonyms, and related niches to that original idea. This allows you to take advantage of something called horizontal video ranking, where instead of just drilling down into a singular focused keyword, like the keyword plumbers, and finding other keywords that contain plumber somewhere in them, we can find related keywords to rank for, like handyman, contractor, pipe fitter, etc., that are still related and can bring in targeted buyers in that niche, but are different enough that normal keyword tools would never find them. Then, once you have a variety of keywords and categories in your niche, now we can drill down to the money-making ones using the Keyword Suggestions tab, where you can enter any keyword and see the suggested longer tail keywords, along with important data like their monthly search volume, suggested bid, competition and confidence scores for each keyword. This will give you the perfect keyword ideas that can be used to boost the SEO rank of any video, article, site, and more. Quickly export to CSV to save your ideas. Now let's click on the competition research section to start analyzing how hard or easy it will be to rank on the first page of YouTube and Google for our keyword ideas that we found. YouTube competition will allow you to enter any keyword and see the top 10 videos ranking on YouTube page 1, along with key metrics you need to know to beat them out in their ranking. For example, we can see the length of the video, how many channel subscribers there are, the video likes, if there's any links in the description, meaning that they're actually optimizing their video, and more crucial ranking factors to easily determine in red or hard, yellow or medium, and green or easy colors. In the simplest terms, if you see a lot of green colors, that means it's easy to rank on page 1 for this keyword. If you're seeing a lot of red, we'll expect a lot of difficulty. And the Google competition works the exact same way, allowing us to find the top 10 search results in Google for any keyword, showing data like, is the keyword in the title and meta description? How many videos are there in the top 10? See the link to the actual page and more. Plus, see how hard it will be to beat out that ranking with the red, yellow, or green indicators again for fast and easy results. At this point, we should have some hot keywords that are relatively easy to rank for, whether we're ranking a local video or just a regular post. At this point, it's time to optimize our video for our keyword using the description optimization module. First, we can click on the long tail tags finder to find long tail easy to rank for YouTube tags that are relevant to our video, like these. To find more great tags to use, click on the YouTube tag finder option. Enter a competitor's URL you found in the previous module, and RankReel will find the best short and long tail tags to use in your video that competitors are already using to rank their videos with. Then use the auto generate description feature to generate a fully optimized title, description, and more tags for one of RankReel's local niche categories. Just pick the niche that you want, enter the business name you're trying to optimize the video for, a keyword, their contact info, and location that you're trying to rank in, and RankReel will auto-generate a high-ranking YouTube title and description for your video right there on the spot to use as is or edit any way you please. And notice that the contact number and city are also included in the description and title for great ranking results. Then, if you have the SciVid app, you can also auto-syndicate your video with the fully optimized tags, descriptions, titles, etc. to 8 different video networks if you choose, using the bonus SciVid integration. So now that your video is fully optimized and live, it's time to start backlinking to it to push it up the ranks to number 1. Now, however, backlinking in 2019 isn't remotely the same as it was years ago. Long gone are the mass forum spamming, capture breaking, and pyramid creation SEO tactics that used to work. Today, only natural-looking backlinking methods work, which is exactly what RankReel will help you implement, saving boatloads of time. First, if you choose, you can connect multiple social bookmarking platforms like Tumblr, Plurk, Medium, and so on, and more to submit your video to help it get indexed and start ranking. You can submit to each link just one at a time, or submit to them all at once if you choose. Then you can use the authority links creation section to find white hat authority link opportunities to manually submit your link to that can significantly boost your ranking in YouTube and Google. RankReel helps you find contest nomination link opportunities, local blog and magazine opportunities, local directory opportunities, and more for authority links that don't harm your account or rank. Just pick a category, enter the necessary information, and RankReel will show backlinking opportunities for you to take advantage of. Clients will really appreciate this, and you can save any great opportunities you find to take advantage of and charge for later. Finally, RankReel comes with a local influencer outreach section that helps boost your rank naturally in Google and YouTube even further. This section helps you find local influencers on social media in specific locations to reach out to them. For example, I have Twitter connected now, and by doing a search in our niche, you can find top influencers in it that are in our local area. So what you can do is reach out to them and give them a coupon to the local business you're working with to rank the video for. For example, a free dinner or a free product. And in turn, if they had a great experience with that local business, ask them to share the video that you're trying to rank with their followers. This technique is working fantastic today for e-commerce companies and influencers, and now you can steal this exact same strategy only for video SEO, resulting in real organic views and shares to boost your video's rank. Now, there's even more cool features I didn't get into, but at this point, I think you get the picture. RankReel is the most comprehensive and safest local video ranking tool out there today. Now, anyone can start a video agency and safely and quickly rank videos in YouTube and Google for big profits.